These are my 3 reasons why getting a drone is one of the best decisions you can make. If you've been trying to decide whether to get a drone or not this summer, I'm gonna give you 3 reasons why you should definitely consider a drone or picking up a new creative tool. Number one, it's gonna get you outside. I mean, just from the nature of drones and flying, you're gonna have to be outside and travel, hopefully see some new places, but I've seen some beautiful landscapes, even places in my own neighborhoods and city. It's just good to get outside and see the world from a different perspective. Number two, it's gonna make you a better planner. And flying drones and getting beautiful shots is all about planning and research. Whether you have to look up the local laws and regulations, or you're just finding inspiration and researching landscapes and researching the city or wherever you're going, it's really going to make you a better planner, definitely when it comes to setting up your shots and making sure that you get the shots that you want to get. Number three, the best part is community. I met a lot of dope people, a lot of dope creatives who fly drones, even people who don't fly drones that just come up to me and always ask. So it's a cool piece of technology, and it's really cool to see other people excited about it. Even in STEM education, I've had a chance to go to schools and talk to students about, my career being a drone pilot. And I also get to build a community.